Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a new starter rope in your chainsaw. I'll start by tensioning the recoil spring. To do that, I'll rotate the pulley clockwise. I'll spin it until it comes to a stop and then back it off slightly. There, it's come to a stop. Now I'll back it off until the opening in the pulley for the rope aligns with the opening in the housing. I'll carefully hold the pulley in place and thread the rope through the pulley and out the housing. I'll pull the rope through until I have a small mount left at the end to secure the screw. Now, I'll tie a temporary knot in the center of the rope. And now I can reinstall the handle. I thread the rope through it and tie a knot on the end. Now I'll untie the knot in the rope and allow the rope to recoil back into the starter. Now I'll reinstall the starter onto the saw. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the top cover. And that's how easy it is to install a new starter rope in your chainsaw.